Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we will learn how to create a Islamic post in Canva. So first of all I need a post in which I design it. So for example I take this one Instagram post square size whose size is 1080 cross 1080 and ratio is 1:1. I click on this create blank button, so a new design is open in front of me. So secondly what I have to do, I because I use Urdu, English and Arabic font in this, so what I do now, just I go to the website where it is called as arabicfonts.net. I open this website and download the font and then upload it in my brand kit. So let me wait, there are multiple fonts, Arabic fonts. Okay, so Arsalan, there is a one Arsalan Wesam A. Okay, so this is okay. So what I do, I just downloaded this font, I give its description, its link in the description. I just download this font and upload in my brand kit. Okay, so I already created a brand kit with the name of language. So this is a brand kit of language. It has no logo, it has no brand color, but it has uploaded fonts. Okay, so there are two fonts. First one is Jamil Noori Nasali K, which is for writing Urdu in Canva, and the second one is KFGQPC Uthmanic script. So it is for writing Arabic content. So what you have to do is just download this font and upload this font in the brand kit. You can also watch my another video in which I deeply explain how to set up brand kit. So let's dive into today's video. So this is the design, this is the post which I use for creating today's design. Okay, so first of all, this website, let me show you this website. This is let's start thinking.org/islam. So I take this website as a reference. So I use this Arabic and this English and this reference in my post. So first of all let me copy this text. Okay, so first of all I copy this small short one, Alhamdulillah. I select this and select copy, then come to my design. Okay, so then come to my design. Now I press T from my keyboard and the text is inserted. I simply press V, so it is pasted now. Okay, so it is not as good. Okay, fine. The main problem while writing Arabic in the Canva is the punctuation. Whenever you apply any font, it disturbs its punctuation. But I will show you the right way. What I do, I just select this test and open my fonts and go to my uploaded fonts. Okay, so this is the daily submit brand kit. I have to switch from daily submit brand kit to the language brand kit. It is present in the end. Okay, so this is a language brand kit. I just select this, so it is shifted now. Okay, I go to the uploaded fonts in my kit, in my font section. Okay, so there are two, Jamil Noori and the second one is Uthmanic script. I select the second one because it is for the Arabic we just downloaded and upload it in a brand kit. So wow, this is a professional way to write Arabic in the Canva. Okay, what I have to do now next, I just change its text color from white to orange. So black to orange. I just select orange color. Okay, now what I do, I just change the background color to black. Okay, so now the next thing is I have to copy this translation. So this is Arabic and this is the translation. Okay, so I again press T and then press V. Okay, I have to decrease its size. Okay, I have to decrease the size. I have to change its case style, which is from, okay, let me set it first. Okay, so here's a case style. I updated it to uppercase and change its color to white. Okay, so what I do now, I just change the color of Allah to orange. Okay, now I change its font from this to I need another font. For example, I use Quicksand. I use the font Quicksand. Quicksand is a free font and it's very good. Let me show you this by applying this. So there are three variations in the quicksand light and quicksand medium. So I use the simple quicksand. Okay, so this is applied. Now what I do, I place them in the middle. Now I copy the reference of this ayah, that is al-fatiha 1 1 2. Okay, so I copy this. I again press T from my keyboard and press V. Okay, so it is copied. Now what I do now, I just copy the same style, and apply to al-fatiha. Okay, so I make it white and decrease its size. So there are two ways to decrease its size. First one is, let me show you. Okay, the first one is just from this, in this way, and the second one is from these values. Okay, so I usually do in this way. For example, yeah, this one. Okay, so I place it in the bottom of the English translation. I again switch to fit view. Okay, so I need to increase some of its size, so it's increase. I need to place it in the center. Okay, fine. What I do now, I just go to the elements tab and search for Islamic. So I search for Islamic, and there are number of stunning elements in front, came in front of me. Okay, so they in the all section, we got photos, graphics, videos, audio, everything. So we only need graphics, so I go to the graphics. If you want to further filter out the graphics element, so you can also use these filters. For example, here you can filter by color, by orientation, which is square, vertical, horizontal, by the animation, static or animated, cuts off, or all, or you can use filter out by free and pro. Okay, so the Canva I am using is pro, so I don't need to filter out anything. Okay, so I just search for Islamic. Let me search for Islamic. Okay, I just go for Islamic, and there are number of stunning. Okay, for example, I choose this one. Let me go to the graphics as well. So what I do now, I just paste it in the upper section in this way. I want to change its color to this one. Okay, wow, so it is ready. So I need to adjust its size in the middle. Okay, so let me decrease its size so I would better read it. Okay, wow. Okay, I also need to decrease its size. Okay, I also need to increase its size a little much and place it. Okay, so it's a 44. Okay, the same. Now what I do, I just press T and write Saqib Iqbal, digital, digital. Okay, I change this from to, I don't need quicksand, I need something italic. So I search for italic one, and I go for this one. For example, let me search it. So this font is a signature font. Okay, no, I don't need this. Okay, let me search this Pinion script. So it is fine now. Okay, so what I do now, I just add at the rate of in the front of the at the start of the Saqib Iqbal digital. Let me change its font further because I don't like this. For example, I go for satisfy. Now it is good. I make it to smaller as much I can, and then paste it in the bottom section. Okay, so okay, let me judge with the margins. So I just click on file and click on show margins. Okay, so I again erase margins. Okay, so it seems to be empty. So let me adjust this. The spacing is not adjusted in this. So what I have to do now, I just increase its size slightly. Okay, let me adjust its spacing. Now there's a 63 spacing between them, so it is fine now. So a stunning Islamic post of Instagram design is ready in the Canva. Okay, so this is the first template. What I do now, I just duplicate this, and you can, okay, so what I do now, I just copy this and just placed in this. Then I go to the edit image. Okay, uh, wait, I don't need this, I need something else. Okay, for example, I use this one. Okay, what I do now, I just make it bigger and bigger, place it in the background of the photo, back to the front, it's already background. What I do now, I just decrease this transparency to from 100 to for example 30, and change its color to from white to yellow. Wow, so I just lock this so it couldn't disturb me. I just pick it up and place it in the center of the design. So another one design is ready for me. I need to decrease its transparency a little more, from 23 you can say 20. So it is fine now. Now I again copy this design and I delete the background and apply this. For example, wow, so I apply this in this way. So let me adjust this. I'll make it bigger. So okay, fine now. So I just copy this and place it in the other center too. So okay, let me wait. Okay, so another post design is ready for me. Let me adjust it. Okay, so another post is ready for me. Let me flip it first. Now it's fine. So another post is ready for me. Now I again copy this, and I delete the side ones. Okay, what I do next? Okay, so I use this one. I make it bigger and bigger, and I decrease its transparency. Okay, I decrease its transparency. I can also apply filters on it. For example, I go to edit image and apply some filter. Let me search for, okay, uh, okay, I, for example, I vision simulator, I go for this. So it decreases sizes. Okay, so I click on apply, and then I decrease its transparency. Let me check. No, it couldn't work for me. So I just control Z. I just press control Z. Okay, now it's come back. Okay, so I go to the filter section, and the last one is the grayscale. Okay, it is applied now in the street. So street is fine one. Okay, what I do now, I just copy this and delete this background image and place another image in back of it. For example, I paste this one. Okay, I make it bigger. And place it in the back side by positioning it back side. It is already, I decrease this transparency to, I think, 30. Okay, so fine. What I do, I just in less than 3 minutes I generated 4 new templates for my post. Okay, so you can, in this way you can easily design stunning Islamic post in the Instagram design. If you need to ask any question about it, you can reach out to me on my social media, or you can comment down on this video. So thank you so much for today's video, and before leaving this, let me show you these templates in the full page. So this is the first one template. Okay, so this template is the first one. This is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one. So every template is stunning and beautiful. So this is the right way to write Arabic in Canva, and to create Islamic stunning background posters. So all these designs are custom. I just created in front of you. I don't use any template. So thank you so much for today's video. Kindly subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, ask any question in the comment section, or you want any related video in the comment section. So I'm looking forward for your positive response, and kindly follow me on social media too. Thank you so much for today's video. Have a very good day. Remember me in your prayers. Goodbye.